What's up, family? Today we're going to talk about 10 simple ways you can instantly upgrade your style right away. A lot of times we think to upgrade our style game, we have to blow our budget or chase trends. I'm here to tell you that's definitely not the case. I'm going to give you some practical, timeless tips that will up your style and your confidence almost immediately. We're going to break down the little details that make a big difference. Now, if you're new here, welcome, Jeff, your Style O.G. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. If any or all those topics interest you, I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Carl Garnett, salute. Now, first up on the list of the 10 things you can instantly do to improve your style, I've got something I've been recommending over and over on this channel, and trust me, it will change your style life. Just simply start having your casual clothing tailored. And now I get it. Most people think when getting their clothes tailored or altered, we're thinking about our formal clothing, suits, dress pants, blazers. But the same miracles that get worked when you have your suit tailored can transfer right to your casual clothing. Trust me, if you're not getting your casual clothing nipped and tucked, you're doing your style game a huge disservice. I will get a huge range of my casual clothing tailored. I'm talking about jeans, even t-shirts, chinos, Oxford button-down. You see, the thing is, when you're dressing casually, it's easy to come off as not being intentional or sloppy. But by having your casual clothing tailored, you instantly will come off as more put together, even when you're in more relaxed mode. The great thing about having your casual clothing tailored, it helps you give off an effortlessly stylish vibe. Now, next up is a tip I can guarantee you I put my money where my mouth is because it's something I've recently done. Want to change your style overnight? Make a grooming change. Now, it's pretty obvious to see. Recently, I shaved my head and let my beard grow out more fully. And this has instantly upgraded my style. Yes, I decided to come on home. That's what I want to encourage a lot of you guys out there to do. If you have a grooming rut, if you decide to step out of your comfort zone, it gives you a fresh new look and approach to your style. Whether it's switching up your haircut, tightening up your facial hair, or even improving your skincare routine, these small changes will make a huge difference. Not to mention, when you make these grooming changes, a lot of times it will boost your confidence. With the change, you'll look better and you'll feel better. Don't ever underestimate the power of glowing skin, a fresh shave, or a different hairstyle. It can instantly improve your style. Now, next up on the list of the 10 things you can do now to instantly improve your style, I have something that will probably cost you no money, but will make a huge difference. Over the next couple of weeks, drop a few pounds. Now, when you're talking about a way that can instantly improve your style without having to buy any new clothing, dropping a few extra pounds you might be carrying around definitely will do that. When you drop a few pounds, you'll instantly notice your clothes fit better, they drape better, and you'll have a sleeker, sharper silhouette that will elevate your style and your confidence. Not to mention, when you drop those extra pounds, it opens you up to a wider range of styles you can wear. It gives you a chance to rock things that might be a little more fitted, giving you a sleeker and modern silhouette. The key here is to focus on consistent changes, not dropping 30 pounds in 2 weeks. Not only will you look better in your clothes, you'll feel better about yourself, you'll stand up a little straighter. To put it more simply, a better body equals better style, period. Speaking of losing weight, a lot of us start the new year off with goals of being healthier, stronger, and more confident. But let's keep it real. It's not always that easy. Despite consistent working out and different diets, the results don't always come. Trust me, I've been there. And if that sounds anything like you, I highly recommend you check out today's video sponsor, Hims. Hims offers access to simple, accessible, and convenient weight loss solutions tailored to your unique needs as determined by a licensed medical provider. All you have to do is visit tryhims.co/thestyleog, complete a free online consultation where a licensed healthcare provider in your state will review your health history and symptoms, then recommend a treatment plan for you. And if prescribed, your treatment plan could include quality tested compounded GLP-1 injections or oral medication kits that match your lifestyle, eating habits, and weight loss goals. Plus, you will receive a weight loss plan designed by industry experts with decades of experience. Treatment plans through Hims are affordable, goal-oriented, and come with ongoing care with no extra cost. Hims might be exactly what you need. Go to tryhims.co/thestyleog and take the first step to your weight loss goal. Now, next up, I have a style recommendation I always give that can elevate anybody's look, whether you dress formal or more casually. Grab yourself a couple unstructured blazers. I love unstructured blazers because of how versatile they are. They can dress up your casual looks, but they work just as well in any situation, semi-formal and below. And the reason why I love unstructured blazers, they're less stuffy, less formal. Just think of it as having polish without the stiffness. And I love that a lot of unstructured blazers come in comfortable fabrics. Think cotton, linen, lightweight wool. It's the perfect blazer to throw on with your chinos, your jeans, some trousers. It helps you pull off a sleek, simple, smart, casual vibe that's perfect for a wide range of occasions. And the softer fit that comes with unstructured blazers is very comfortable, giving you ease of movement, but still allowing you to pull off a polished and put together look. Trust me, adding unstructured blazers to your wardrobe will elevate your style game immediately. Now, next up is a style tip you hear me hammering home over and over on this channel, and I never will stop doing so. Want to instantly improve your style? Start wearing a watch every day. You talk about an easy, instant way to elevate your style? Just throw on that watch with whatever you're wearing. A watch isn't just about telling time. It's about having some fine details with your look. A sleek dress watch, a sporty dive watch, or a minimalist design, a watch can tie your look together. In my opinion, when a guy has a nice fit on, but his wrist is butt naked, to me the look is incomplete. A watch just presents a finishing touch, whether you're wearing jeans and t-shirt or a sleek suit. And in my opinion, a watch just exudes confidence, maturity, and it says, I have it all together. Trust me, if you're not wearing a watch every day, you're missing out on one of the simplest but most powerful ways to upgrade your style instantly. Now, next up, I have an answer to a question when a lot of guys ask me, what's one of the easiest ways to switch up and elevate my style? You can simply go from wearing sneakers all the time to sometimes substituting loafers. Trust me, going from sneakers to loafers with some of your casual or smart casual looks is an easy and powerful way to instantly elevate your style. Now, don't get me wrong, sneakers have their place. I rock them all the time. Going from sneakers to loafers is a great way to up the sophistication level. Whether we're talking about a sleek leather pair of loafers or a laid-back suede choice, loafers are versatile enough to wear with just about anything you will rock sneakers with. Think shorts, jeans, chinos, trousers. They're a perfect way to add polish to your look without going too dressy. Plus, I believe loafers show that you have grown man style on lock without overthinking it or overdoing it. Trust me, if you want to instantly elevate your style, every once in a while, give the kicks a rest and slide, pun intended, into some loafers. Now, next up on the list of the things you can do to instantly improve your style, I'm doing an example of it right now. Invest more in your outerwear. Now, this is one of the best things to do, especially during your colder or cool weather looks. A lot of times the only thing people will see is your jacket or coat. And with that being the case, it's going to be your first impression, which is very important when it comes to style. For example, with this coat here, I spent a pretty penny on it, but the sweater under, 20 bucks. I got some $30 jeans on. But the thing is, people's eyes go immediately to the nice piece of outerwear. Swapping out that old hoodie for a nice jacket or a sweet overcoat, maybe a leather jacket or a nice bomber, is an easy way to instantly improve your style game. Quality piece of outerwear adds structure to your look and ties everything together. Even if you're just wearing jeans and a t-shirt underneath, you're still gonna look pretty good. Now, my next tip on how you can instantly improve your style is another prime example of how small change can make a huge difference. Start incorporating texture into your looks. Texture is that secret weapon that adds visual interest, depth, and richness to your outfits. When you think about pairing a chunky knit sweater with your chinos, a leather suede jacket with your jeans, it's an instant way to elevate your look. And to me, the great thing about incorporating texture, it's a simple way to elevate your style game while still looking understated and masculine. Start adding simple things like corduroy trousers, a velvet blazer, a suede trucker jacket. You're still wearing timeless, investment-worthy basics, but just adding texture. So don't hesitate to add leather, suede, corduroy, mohair. You will instantly add richness, visual interest, and depth to all of your outfits. Now, next up, I have a style tip that will instantly improve your game that will serve dual purposes. It will keep you warm and elevate your looks. Experiment with layering. Layering isn't just about keeping you warm. It's a great way to add personality and depth to all your outfits. And how do you want to do it? Start with a solid base. Have a t-shirt or a button down, throw a sweater, cardigan, or jacket over it. Or you can go back to one of my earlier tips, add an unstructured blazer. And it works just as well with our last tip of adding texture. Adding layers combined with texture, you're gonna make your outfit dynamic, memorable, and polished. Plus, of course, dressing with layers is super practical. If it gets warm, pull off a layer. As it gets colder, add layers. You're looking great and staying comfortable. It shows that not only can you adapt to weather changes, you can do it in a way that's put together and polished. Now, next up is something you can do that I've said it once, I've said it a million times on this channel. Start wearing a signature scent. If you don't wear cologne like 80% of men don't do, I don't understand why, you're missing out on an easy way to elevate your game. You have to realize the right cologne is just a finishing touch to your overall look. And a signature fragrance isn't just about smelling good. It's about leaving a lasting impression, cultivating an individual style profile. You see, the thing is, when you wear cologne, especially when you've chosen a signature scent that represents you well, your scent becomes a part of your personal brand, something people remember you by. Whether you're a fresh and clean cologne guy, warm and spicy, woody and rich, when you choose a fragrance that represents your personality and your individual style, it shows that not only do you have style, but an attention to detail on every level. Okay, so there you have it. 10 of my best tips on how you can instantly improve your style. Now do me a favor, let me know in the comment section if you have some simple ways that Style O.G family can take their style game to the next level. And if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I highly recommend you check out a recent video I did about all the things women love to see in a man's bachelor pad. You can check it out right here.